Loqbox Credit Builder. In today's video, I'm going to review Loqbox Credit Builder. So let's get started. First, Loqbox Credit Builder is widely regarded as a legitimate and effective tool for improving credit scores, particularly for those within credit files. It has won awards such as Finder's Best Credit Building Service 2025 and has largely positive customer reviews on platforms like Trustpilot. So, how it works? Loqbox primary mechanism Loqbox Save works by simulating a loan and a savings plan simultaneously. You decide on a monthly saving amount for a 12-month period. Loqbox loans you that total amount €240 to 2,400, which is locked in an account. Your monthly repayments on these interest-free loans are reported to all three major UK credit reference agencies. Consistently making these on-time payments builds a positive payment history, which in turn helps to build your credit score. At the end of the 12 months, you get your total saved money back. Loqbox also offers a membership plan around €2.99 per week. That includes Loqbox Grow, an interest-free line of credit used for internal Loqbox feature, which also reports payment to the credit agencies, helping to build credit utilization and history. Let's see the pros and cons. The pros are builds credit effectively. It reports to all three major CRAs, helps with saving habit, educational resources, and legitimate and regulated app. On the other side, to access your saved money at the end of the term without opening one of their partner bank account, you must pay a flexi unlock fee, which is €30. No interest is earned. Just like any loan, missing a payment will negatively impact your credit score. It is a 12-month process and scores may initially dip before rising. So it is not an instant fix option. There are some customer service issues, some negative reviews mention poor customer service or difficulty canceling their account. For individuals struggling with a thin or poor credit history, Loqbox is viable low-risk option to build credit while saving money. The key is to commit to the full 12-month plan and make all payments on time. Users should be aware of the potential $30 fee if they do not wish to open a partner bank account when the term ends. And that's all. That's how you will be able to know about Loqbox Credit Builder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.